Thank you so much for coming this evening. We appreciate it. Just a little house rule for tonight. Please have your phones on silent or vibrate. And now, for the official welcome speech and to kick off this brand icon launch, I introduce the Chief Operations Officer, Mrs. Agatha Ruta.
Thank you, Celia. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure for me to discuss today such an important topic that reshapes the financial services in Central America and in particular in Belize. The digitalization of financial services and the impact it creates on our communities. Over the past few years, we have witnessed an unprecedented transformation in the way financial services are delivered, and this transformation is not only enhancing the convenience of banking, but also driving significant socioeconomic progress in the region. At the heart of this transformation is the drive to achieve greater financial inclusion. In Central America, many people, particularly those in underserved areas, have traditionally faced barriers in accessing financial services. These barriers include limited physical presence of branches, long travel time, and the lack of trust or awareness in banking services. But today, we are seeing how digital banking services are overcoming these challenges. In Belize, for example, digital banking platforms have become a lifeline for people who previously had limited access to traditional banking. With the advent of mobile banking apps and online platforms, individuals now can transfer money, pay bills, and even apply for a loan online. Everything from the palm of their hands. This shift is empowering people across the country to take control over their finances without the need to visit a bank's branch. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of digital banking is its role in reducing poverty and improving economic mobility. By offering financial services to those who were previously excluded, digital banking is giving individuals tools to become more independent when it comes to financial services. In particular, the availability of loan application fully digital is a game changer in Belize. In the past, many Belizeans lacked access to affordable credit, often because they didn't have formal relationship with the financial institution or couldn't meet the requirements of traditional loans. Now, with fully digital loan application, the process has become faster, more inclusive, and less burdensome. People can apply for loans from the comfort of their homes, providing them with the opportunity to invest in education, start a small business, or cover the emergency expenses. Another key innovation that is helping to drive its change is the introduction of cashback program tied to a debit card. This will encourage people to transition away from cash-based transactions to fully digital transactions, enhancing security and safety of digital payments. The impact of this shift is profound. Not only does it make it easier for people to manage their finances, but also it creates an incentive for them to engage more fully in the formal economy. As we continue to speak about digitalization of financial services, we are moving closer to the concept of what we call cash-light society. Cash-light society refers to the system where digital transactions are replacing physical cash as a primary payment method. The shift towards cash-light society has a number of benefits. It promotes greater financial security, as digital transactions are far less prone to loss compared to cash transactions. Moreover, digital transactions provide greater traceability, which helps to reduce the risk of money laundering and fraud. Looking ahead, digitalization of banking services in Belize and Central America holds immense promise. The ongoing expansion of digital payments platforms, mobile banking apps, and online financial tools will continue to break down barriers and ensure that even the most vulnerable populations are not left behind. As we are already seeing the tangible results in terms of increased financial literacy, improved access to services, we hope to see the huge impact on how inclusive the economy might be with digital payments. The road to full digitalization is not without its challenges. We must continue to invest in improving internet connectivity, educating the public on the benefits of digital banking, and ensuring that digital financial products are safe, secured, and accessible to all. But if we remain committed to these goals, I strongly believe that Belize can be a leader of financial inclusion in the region and set the powerful example for other nations to follow. In closing, I want to highlight that digitalization of banking services in Belize is more than just a technological shift. It's a social revolution that is opening doors for financial inclusion, reducing poverty, and creating new opportunities for growth. The innovation we see today, like digital loan applications, reward program attached to debit cards, and what we call cash-light society, are transforming lives and empowering individuals to take charge of their financial futures. Together, we continue to harness the power of digital banking to build more inclusive, resilient, and prosperous future for all. Now I would like for you to see a couple of videos that we created that really showcase what we do inside out and what Belize Bank really is. As we started our digital transformation 3 years ago, almost 4 years ago, and we do it on many different levels. The first one, I would like for you to see how we redesign our branches. As what we do with digitalization and bringing modern tools is not only to increase the customer experience, but also with our branches for them to be modern, for them to be reflecting our digital-first strategy, and for them to be convenient for our customers. And in particular, our Key Cocker branch that we opened this year is showcasing the design that is fully aligned with what Belize Bank currently is. And other our branches will follow across the country to adopt this new design. And I hope you will like it as well. Let's see it.
Welcome to Key Cocker, a lively island rich in culture and community spirit. Here, Belize Bank began a new chapter, creating a branch that's more than just a bank but a community landmark. The goal was simple: to create a modern, welcoming space for both customers and staff, a bright departure from the darker tones of our previous branches. 3 years ago, Belize Bank began its digital transformation, modernizing customer interactions and boosting financial inclusion. While we introduced innovative solutions, our branch design still reflected the past. To align with our digital strategy, we reimagined our branches to offer a consistent, modern experience for our customers. What made this initiative unique was our commitment to embracing the local community. By incorporating images of local landmarks, we showed that we are proud to be a part of Key Cocker. This personal touch not only created a visually striking design, but also made the space feel both familiar and innovative. We started by evaluating our current branch design with innovation as our focus. By choosing white as the base and adding vibrant pops of color, we created a bright, modern space. Our goal was to show customers that the bank is embracing change and innovation at every level. The result was a space that felt open, bright, and connected to the future and the community. The results are clear. The new branch has been a huge success.
I like the Belize Bank branch in Key Cocker because I don't have to wait in line, and especially the technology that they use is very efficient.
Staff morale has soared. The new design creates a more inspiring workspace where employees feel proud and more connected to the community they serve.
We want clients to feel calm in our modern space. This actually helps customers to feel relaxed and to be able to conduct their banking needs without distraction.
The new open and bright space helps us to stay motivated.
Our new branch in Keokuk is a testament to our dedication to innovation, community, and the future of banking. We are Belize Bank, shaping the future while staying rooted in the heart of the communities we serve.
So the premises are following what we do for our customers and how we are also building efficiencies inside the bank. But what is extremely important and why we do all of that is really the financial inclusion that we are trying to build in the country. As you may know, in Belize, we still have 35% of unbanked and underbanked population. So financial inclusion is really close to our hearts. Earlier this year, we launched Financial Inclusion Means You Too campaign that is all about financial literacy and building the awareness of not only our Belize Bank products, but awareness of financial ecosystem, how to budget, how to plan your finances. And we do it on many different levels for our customers, non-customers, as well as kids. Earlier this year, in March 2024, we launched Girls for Tech program in the partnership with MasterCard. We trained over 300 girls in STEM, really introducing concepts of fraud, algorithms to little girls. I'm happy to announce that we will be continuing this program, and in March 2025, we will have next version of it, where we will be teaching little girls AI for kids. And I think it's so important to invest into kids in financial inclusion, as they are the ones who will be building Belize's economy in the future. So please, let's see how it looks like.
In a country as diverse as Belize, access to financial services can sometimes feel out of reach. But at Belize Bank, we believe in financial inclusion for everyone. That's why our Financial Inclusion Means You Too strategy is changing the game for thousands across the country. Our mission is simple: to ensure that individuals and businesses, no matter their size or location, have access to affordable, transparent, and inclusive financial services.
I enjoy the rapid and easy, seamless process to apply for loans through the Belize Bank.
Now I just go in on my phone and do the online payments, which is much easier for me.
Harap na usare uta ana ATM, uting card. Araw kay balbas changiron sa usare ut kolore na notification chura phone na mensajes.
Real stories, real impact. Belize Bank is helping people just like you achieve their financial goals. Through partnerships like the Girls for Tech initiative, we are empowering young minds, especially girls, to understand financial literacy and embrace technology. Our digital transformation efforts like mobile banking and eCash make it easier for everyone to bank on their terms. With 75% digital banking customers, comprising 40% customers from rural areas and a 30% conversion rate of previously unbanked individuals, we're providing access where it's needed most. Fees transparency is key. That's why we've made it a priority to ensure that our customers know exactly what they're paying for, building trust with every interaction. Financial inclusion isn't just a goal, it's our commitment. At Belize Bank, we believe that everyone deserves a chance to succeed. Financial inclusion means you too.
And financial inclusion certainly means you too as well. Last but not least, we would like to showcase a video around our self-service and online loan application that we launched a year ago, and this year we extended it to secured loans. We are very proud of this project, as it's really showing that Belizeans are ready for the innovation in financial services. The fact that we are a small economy doesn't mean that we cannot use all of the modern tools that are available and really transact fully digitally without the need to visit bank's branch. So let's see how the Belize Bank's self-service and online loan application works.
At Belize Bank, we're redefining banking with cutting-edge technology. In June 2023, we launched Belize's first fully digital online loan application, making borrowing faster, easier, and more accessible. Customers can now apply for loans anytime, anywhere, whether you're a Belize Bank customer or not. Our platform offers 24/7 access to a range of loan options, from unsecured to secured and refinancing loans, eliminating the need to visit a branch. This innovation has expanded financial inclusion across Belize, allowing more individuals to access loans with ease. With a fully digital process, including secure document signing and real-time status updates, customers always know where they stand. What sets our system apart is its simplicity and transparency. The entire process, from application to approval, can be completed online in just a few steps. Yet, we balance technology with a personal touch. Dedicated loan officers are available to provide support whenever needed. Our strategy was clear: reduce paperwork, speed up processing, and make loans accessible to everyone. After rigorous testing, we launched the first phase for unsecured loans in June 2023, followed by secure loans and refinancing in August 2024. The results are impressive. Over 19,000 applications processed and a 60% approval rate. The platform has generated $21 million in additional revenue, accounting for 3% of our consumer lending portfolio. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with a 9.2 rating for likelihood to recommend, 8.5 for application time, and 8.7 for process seamlessness. Our real-time dashboard lets us track trends, approval rates, and processing times, ensuring data-driven decisions and continuous improvements. At Belize Bank, we're proud of how our online loan application has revolutionized banking in Belize. Belize Bank, bringing you the future of banking today.
So you see, the reason why I wanted for you to have appreciation of what we do, how we are building experiences for our customers, how we are changing how the financial sector in Belize works, is to really reveal how we are changing from the outside as well. Inside, you already saw how we are building new products and new offerings to the market. And right now, I would like to invite our chairman, Mr. Filippo Alario, to speak about this external piece of our strategy and how Belize Bank is modernizing the financial sector in Belize. Thank you.
Thank you, Agatha. I see 2 people there applying for loans already. Keep going, guys. You're doing well. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome tonight, and I want to extend a warm welcome to those who are watching us from all of the branches. We have mixers at all of the branches, and they're doing a simulcast to them. Today, I'm honored to stand before you to unveil something small, but it is monumental in our view, in terms of significance, our new brand identity. That's right, today we are celebrating the launch of a tiny yet mighty digital symbol that embodies who we are, and where we want to go. Now, you may be thinking, what's the big deal with something so small? I want you all to step on a Lego brick in the middle of the night. I have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old, and I can tell you something small can pack a good punch. This new symbol is more than a design. It's a beacon of who we are where have we been and where we're heading. It's a reflection of our roots, our purpose, and our vision for the future. Now let's talk about our roots. We all know Belize Bank is the largest and oldest bank in Belize. We've been around since 1902, and we are the second oldest bank in Central America. We've been continuously, this institution has been continuously open since 1902. This legacy reflects our unwavering commitment to excellence and resilience. Our history is deeply intertwined with a vibrant and diverse culture. Our history is deeply part of who we are as people and how we behave as even staff members. At the heart of everything we do are the communities we serve. This symbol is a reminder to stay true to our values while celebrating and championing our evolving identity. So we are not static. Our identity continues to move forward, but they're always rooted in who we are. Now let's talk about digital first. Agatha spoke enough about it, but I just want to say that we are spending a lot of money on it. And the era of visiting branches for every single transaction is behind us. Right now, your bank should be on your phone, your bank should be in your pocket, and the palm of your hands, everywhere you go, 24/7. And that's what we want to do. We have started our digital transformation with a commitment of making banking seamless and secure. Now, let's not forget about security. While some might find online banking intimidating, we are also investing a lot of money to ensure that your trust is well placed. Multi-factor authentication, encrypted options, and state-of-the-art cybersecurity are behind everything that we do. Third, our new icon represents hope for the future. It is our renewed commitment to financial inclusion, sustainability, and innovation. We are here to support small business, foster economic growth, and empower Belizeans in every corner. And finally, the human side. We are not going digital and doing away with our human side. Behind every transaction is a story. Behind every transaction, we know that there is a person, and we are embracing this digital era to ensure that the way you interact with us is not only digital, but also personal. So today, I want to unveil this new icon. I invite you not to see it just as a symbol, but as a statement. Thank you very much.
All right, wasn't that a great one? So to end off and for the thank you note, I call upon Mrs. Monica Dariani Urbino, the manager of Business Banking Center.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the Belize Bank, I want to express our heartfelt gratitude to all of you for taking this time this evening to celebrate with us. Your presence here makes this occasion even more memorable, as this is a significant milestone in our journey. Our new brand icon, as you can see, is more than just a look. It's a promise to keep evolving, keep innovating, and keep being the bank that you will always count on. But tonight is not just about unveiling our new brand identity. It's about celebrating the relationships and trust that have brought us here. Whether you're a partner, client, or community member, your support and collaboration have been instrumental in shaping who we are today and also inspiring the path we continue to lead. A very special thank you to our chairman, Mr. Filippo Alario, our chief operations, Agata Ruta, and our entire exec team for their leadership and insights as they guide us into this exciting new era of progress, digitalization, and innovation. Thank you once again for being part of this moment. We're excited for the journey ahead and look forward to continued growth and success together. Enjoy the rest of the evening. We have sangria, we have a whole open bar there, we have food, cheesecake. Enjoy.